everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for your Dreame X50 Ultra. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Starting with the top, not much to do up here besides keep an eye on the bumper and make sure there's no crumbs or debris in that channel to allow it to effectively move about. Then you can pop open the cover and inside you'll have your dustbin, so you can swap out the filter when it's time. And you can deep clean the dustbin as needed. So you have access there, and you can always wipe down in there, but not much to it from the top of the vacuum. Looking at it from the side, never a bad idea if you want to wipe down the sensors for any smudges, dust. Just use a microfiber cloth. This chute at the back is where all the contents empty out of. If you ever notice any hair, clogs, or tangles in here, you can go ahead and open that up and clean and wipe down as needed. More sensors and charging contacts on the back if you want to wipe them down. Can check in here with compressed air. If you ever notice any dirt or dust accumulating, you can clean that out. Another sensor to wipe down there. And looking at the underside, we have our side cleaning brush. You can always replace that as needed. Phillips head screwdriver just to pop that off. Our two brush rollers, those are removable if you ever need to replace these. And they're color coded for us. You can make sure that there's no obstruction in the debris channel there either. And these just snap right back in place. So nice removable cover, easy to install. You can check on these wheels and the little tiny wheels for any hair or things tangling at them. Omnidirectional wheel, you can wipe down the cliff sensors. And then for the mop pads, these are removable, washable, replaceable, just Velcro. Not much else to do there. You can check this channel for any sort of debris, but very simple and straightforward to maintain the Dreame X50 Ultra robot vacuum and mop.